My name is Charu. I'm a parenting and a lifestyle blogger and founder of the momsagas.com. It is usually a happy occasion when a baby is born, right? But with the baby comes a lot of expectations from a mother. She is suddenly placed on a pedestal and is expected to be this know-it-all mom who understands everything about her baby. All of this creates an unnecessary pressure on a mother, and if she fails to stand up to those expectations, she feels guilty and disappointed in herself. Well, let me tell you, motherhood doesn't come naturally to every woman, nor does it come with a parenting manual. Just like a baby grows, acquires new skill and learns at every stage, our mother too grows and learns the art of parenting slowly along the way. It doesn't happen overnight, and she makes a lot of mistakes in her journey and probably learns from them too.
I'm Diksha Chawla, founder of Diksha Chawla Fitness Consultations, a fitness entrepreneur and a content creator, an army wife and mother to an 11-year-old son. This International Women's Day, one thing that I would want people to stop expecting from working mom is perfection. Yes, you heard it right. We cannot be perfect mothers, perfect caregivers, perfect cook or cleanliness freaks, and it's okay. It's okay to embrace our imperfections, our flaws, our mistakes with open arms. We may not be good at certain things, but I'm sure we all are good at a lot of things. So let's just accept it just the way we are. This Women's Day, that's what real empowerment is.
2017, I became a mom. I became a mother for the first time, and as a first time mom, I went through my own challenges. Life seemed very difficult back then, and now my son is going to turn 4 this March. And there's one thing that I've learned over these 4 years, and that's what I want to share with you, is that the more we work on ourselves, the less we have to work on our children. So it's very important that we work on ourselves and that we accept and have an understanding of the fact that motherhood is not about being perfect. We are going to make a lot of mistakes, and it's absolutely normal to make mistakes. If you're not making mistakes, then you might be doing something wrong. So make a lot of mistakes.
I think one thing which I would want people to stop expecting from moms is to leave their career. I think in India, in very conservative families, I've seen this thing, and moms are struggling a lot. So once they give birth to a child, they have been expected to leave almost everything that's going around in her life. So it's completely her choice. I would say that if a mom really wants to leave their job, or if not, in both the cases, if someone is managing their job nicely along with the child or getting a help for their child, it's completely okay.
I look at it from two aspects. One is the family. The parents and the in-laws, they expect that the working mother should always be in a state of guilt because she is ignoring the kids and home because of her work. In reality, the sense of guilt brings down the psyche. And when we talk about the workplace, there also people feel that working women are less efficient and are not doing good justice to their work.
One thing that I personally feel I should talk about, that society stop expecting from the mom. So that thing is, our society generally asks with the mother, what is your priority, a baby or a job? So as per me, a woman can be both a good mom and have a good career.